Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, September 30th. We continue with the Book of Awakening from Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled Wisdom of the Torn Heart. A flag goes boneless as it assumes the shape of the wind that snaps it, and so I love. The lesson of the flag challenges our trust in the fabric of our lives. It asks us not to resist the wind of spirit that comes along. For the vital energies of life come upon us in sudden gusts of experience, and we can only unfold our true selves if we let go of our resistance and realize that our purpose, after all our suffering, is as simple and beautiful as that of a cloud. The great poet Rilke says, I want to unfold. I don't want to stay folded anywhere, because where I am folded, there I am alive. Once again, we're invited to live in the open. We're encouraged and challenged to unfold past our fear, so that the appearance of life larger and older than us might flap us into full living. For sure, this is not easy, as all our bad experience and protective upbringing has us ready to resist anything sudden or powerful. Yet, even when we trip and fall, we learn soon enough that it is the arm that stiffens and resists that breaks. Often, our resistance only makes things worse. As the Chinese sage Lao Tzu said 2,500 years ago, the hard and stiff will be broken. The soft and supple will prevail. Whoever is stiff and inflexible is a disciple of death. Whoever is soft and yielding is a disciple of life. So to stay among the living, we are often asked to summon a courage not to resist. This is different than turning the other cheek or submitting to dominant forces in our life. Rather, this is meeting the world in all its painful variety, with feet spread and arms open, neither accepting everything nor rejecting everything, but leaning into what is nourishing and letting the rest move on through. In this way, the heart becomes a torn flower that knows no country, and over time, it is the little cares of living in the open that we must give thanks to. For it's the slight rips we suffer that led through the blast too painful to carry. Perhaps this is wisdom, the earned humility of our suffering that doesn't let the hold onto everything. Perhaps this is the wisdom of the poor heart that lets us keep going. Now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix right now. Not yourself, not your breath, not this moment. It's all good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a state in which all the experiences of the present moment can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now, let your breathing be the wind feeling that unfurls your heart. Simply allow yourself to feel one recent moment of pain and one recent moment of it. How does it feel to remember them? Let this recent joy and this recent pain move through you like wind through a flap, one after the other, again and again. With each breath, practice not resisting by leaning into each feeling, and without holding on to it, let each feeling pass through. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at peace. May I know deep, natural peace. As always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. And as always, enjoy your discoveries along the way. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.